how to reactive Instagram account. Guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you reactive your deactivated Instagram account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the Instagram app. Okay, so now after you open the Instagram app, you will got such interface. So from the login section, you'll have to give the credential to log in with your account. So from here, you'll have to provide your username or email address and other phone number. And after you're done from here, you'll have to enter your password here. So if you have forgotten your password, you'll have to just tap on this forgotten password. So from there, you can easily give the credential to log in with your account, and from there you will be able to reactive your account. So like I am logging with my account here, tap on this login. Alright, so like in this way you can also reactive your Instagram account. So on this process it will only work before 30 days after you deactive your Instagram account. So if you have not exceed 30 days, you will be able to reactive your Instagram account. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.